Today I'm going to show you how to use Padlet to communicate with students in China. First of all, Padlet is something, it's like a website where everybody can post stuff. It's really convenient. All you need to do is to press the plus sign to make a post or write a letter, upload a photo, make a snapshot, and do all kinds of things here. There are some rules. So first, for your safety and privacy, please do not exchange personal information such as address, phone number, or social media account on this platform. Second, only use your first name when you sign your work submitted here. And third, no profanity allowed. Fourth, please avoid racially sensitive comments or questions such as certain stereotypes toward one group of people or calling COVID-19 a Chinese disease. So stereotypes are like some preconceptions or misunderstanding about one group of people. Such as, Chinese people always eat rice, or Chinese people only eat rice, or African American people only play basketball. Things like that are stereotypes that we need to avoid, because students from Dewey are representing U.S. and students from China are representing China. So please be mindful when you are writing letters to each other. And I'm going to make an example and show you how to do this. So if I'm a student from Dewey, I'm going to edit this, rename the column, and put my first name here, Jia. So then this column is mine. This column will be, me and my pen pal. If there's somebody replied, I'll say maybe someone from China. Let's say Bing. So this column belongs to us, and we will exchange letters here. So a letter to students in China from. So I'm gonna double click this, or if you want to edit it, see this edit post. I'm going to put from Jia, my name. So I'm going to write my letter, dear students in China, or dear Bing in my case, if you know who. But for the first time, you don't know who's going to write you back yet. So you're just going to say, students in China. Dear students in China, my name is, I'm just going to type like the example that I made here. Make sure that you leave some space when you change a paragraph when you're writing a letter. My name is Jia and I'm from Chicago. Here, Chicago. Here are some of my favorite things. Eating sushi, the color blue. So first you're going to do some self-introduction. Introduce who you are by first, of course, your name, where you're from, and what do you like to do. And then change another paragraph and, say something about Chicago. In Chicago, the schools are closed and we are doing remote learning at home. How is it in China? You can ask questions that you want to know about China. I attached a photo of me at my home where I do remote learning. So, it's kind of like introduce your environment. What is it like at home? Introduce yourself. So I'm going to take a snapshot of me doing remote learning here. And all right, so I'm going to take a snapshot with this. All right, now I take my snapshot and I'm gonna save it. And it's posted here on the bottom of my letter. Okay. And you can ask questions about them. What do they want? What do you want to know about the person on the other side of the world? What do you do at home? What video games do you play? Right? What do you watch on TV? What sports do you play? What song do you like to listen? Also, and if you have anything you want to know about the US, let me know. Sincerely yours, Gia. Okay, so I finished my letter. I just click on somewhere else, and now my letter is posted. And if they see my letter, they will write back. And once you have the name of your pen pal, you can write their name here. So this is your column. This will be someone else's column. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this experience and learn about people from other countries.